A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to integrations. So in previous lecture I have also discussed the questions, smart questions related to NCERT exampler. So now in today lecture I will start with the new questions. So see, question is integration over minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Integration over minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This is sine of mod of x plus cos of mod of x dx. Now this is our question and we have to integrate. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to check the function. This function is which type? So see, the solution. Let fx is equal to sine of mod of x plus cos of mod of x. Now when you will check, when x is equal to minus x, when you will put, so x is equal to minus x, consider, then you will get f of minus x is equal to, this is the same result. Now this is the even function. We can say function is even since fx is equal to f of minus x. Function is even. So in case, what you will see? In case this integration we can write, therefore I is equal to, we can write 0 to pi by 2 times integration over pi by 2, this is sine of mod of x plus cos of mod of x, now dx. Now see, so when you will see and integrate, after integration what you will get the result? The result you will get I is equal to 2 times, this integration is means sin x integration is minus cos x and the cos x integration is sin x, so minus cos x plus sin x, so minus time cos x plus sin x, this is 0 to pi by 2. Now see, and after putting the upper limit and lower limit, what you will get the result? When you will put x is equal to pi by 2, so upper limit result is 0 plus 1, and now minus sign cos 0 result is minus 1 plus 0. Now this one we can write 2 times, this is 1 and this is plus 1 also, so 1 plus 1 result will be 2 and the result you will get 4. See, now answer is 4. I is equal to 4. This is the answer. Now this question is completed. Now you can see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is, see, now question number 2 is if gx is equal to, if gx is equal to, this is integration over 0 to pi 0 to x, this is cos to the power 4 t dt. Now there is some mistakes. See, now question number 2 is, we have to evaluate the integral from minus pi to pi. Minus pi to pi, this is cos square x dx. Cos square x dx whole upon 1 plus a to the power x. 1 plus a to the power x. Now see, so first of all I will consider, let I is equal to integration over from minus pi to pi, this is cos square x dx whole upon 1 plus a to the power x. We have considered. Now you can see, when you will check f of a plus, or when you will see the formula f of integration over from 0 to a or a to b fx dx, we can write integration over from a to b f of a plus b minus x dx, we can write. Now this expression, what we can write? At the place of x we have to write, means integration over from minus pi to pi, this is cos square minus pi plus pi minus x, and whole upon 1 plus a to the power pi minus x, and we can write minus pi plus pi also, so this will cancel, dx is here. Now this is the result I. So I, what we can write after solving? We can write this from minus pi to pi, this is minus x, so a to the power x cos square x dx whole upon 1 plus a to the power x. Now you can see. Now see what we can write. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. This is equation 2. Now we are going to add equation 1 and equation 2. So what you will get the result? See, equation 1 plus equation 2, so result will be 2y is equal to integration over minus pi to pi, and this is cos square x upon 1 plus a to the power x is common, so result will be 1 plus a to the power x in bracket cos square x whole upon 1 plus a to the power x, this is dx. Now see, so see 1 plus a to the power x is cancelled from denominator and numerator. So what we can get the result? This result we can write 2I is equal to integration over from minus pi to pi, this is cos square x now dx. So cos square x dx we have to integrate from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, minus pi to plus pi, and cos square x is even function, so this one we can write 2I is equal to 2 times from 0 to pi by 2. 2 times from 0 to pi by 2, this is cos square x now dx. So 2 is cancelled. So what we can write? Cos square x we can write 1 plus, this is 1 plus cos 2x by 2 now dx. This is from 0 to pi by 2, and this result will be after solving 1 dx. Result is x and plus sine 2x by 2. Sine 2x by 2. So this result is x by 2 plus sine 2x by 2 with upper and lower limit. So when you will put 0 lower limit, that will be 0. So pi by 2 result you will get, this is pi by 4. Now see, this is not this is from minus pi by 2, and so minus pi to plus pi, this is the limit. So see, this will be minus pi, this will be only pi. So pi. So after putting the limit of pi, so what you will get the result? This result will be pi by pi plus, means pi by 2 plus 0 and minus 0. So result will be only pi by 2. This is the answer. Now see, this is the answer. Pi by 2 is the answer. Pi by 2 is the answer. See. Now see, the next question is, question number 3. Now question number 3 is, see, question is integration over, question number 3, integration over cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha whole upon cos x minus cos alpha. Cos x minus cos alpha dx. So how we can solve this? So you know, this one we can write integration over cos 2x, we can write 2 cos square x minus 1. So 2 times cos square x minus 1 with negative sign, 2 times cos square alpha plus 1. This is the formula. Now cos x minus cos alpha and dx. This plus 1 minus 1 will cancel and 2 will take common. So 2 times this result will be cos square x minus cos square alpha whole upon cos x minus cos alpha, and this is dx. So this one we can write 2 times integration over cos x plus cos alpha with dx, and now 2 times this result is sin x plus x times cos alpha, now plus c. So see, this is the answer. 2 times sin x plus x cos alpha or x cos alpha plus c. This is the answer. Now this question is completed. Now you can see Now I will come to the next question. The next question is, number 4. Now question number 4 is, see, we have to evaluate the integral cos x dx whole upon 1 plus cos x. So how we can integrate this? Cos x dx whole upon 1 plus cos x. So this integration, suppose this is cos x whole upon 1 plus cos x, and now this one we can write integration over 1 plus cos x dx with negative sign, so plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. This is dx, and we are going to write denominator, that is 1 plus cos x. So 1 plus cos x format will cancel, so result will be 1 times dx minus result will be 1 upon 1 plus cos x dx. And this integration, you know, this is x, now with negative sign, this one we can write minus integration over 1 upon 1 plus cos x means 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So 1 plus 2 times cos square x by 2, and next minus 1 dx. So minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled. So what you will get the result? 2 times sec square x by 2. Result will be 2 times sec square x by 2, 1 by 2. Means we can write x minus 1 by 2 integration over sec square x by 2. Now dx is equal to, this result is x minus 1 by 2 integration over this result is means when you will going to integrate, so you will get 2 times this result is 10x by 2 now plus c, means answer will be x minus 10x by 2, this 2 to cancel, so answer will be x minus 10x by 2 plus c is the answer. So answer is x minus 10x by 2 plus c is the answer. Now this question is completed. Now you will see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 5. Now question number 5 is, question number 5 is integration over cos to the power 4 2x dx. Now how we can eliminate power 4? So this one we can write integration over cos to the power 4 2x dx is equal to cos 2x formula, you know, or cos square 2x we can write 1 plus cos 4x by 2. So this one we can write 1 plus cos 4x by 2 whole square. Now dx. So we can square this. So format will be, now format we can write integration over 1 by 4, suppose outside the integral, 1 by 4, this is outside the integral, and result will be 1 plus, this result is cos square 4x, and plus 2 times cos 4x and next dx. So you will see this result also we can write integration over 1 plus this result we can write cos square x means 1 plus cos 8x by 2. 1 plus cos 8x by 2. So 1 plus cos 8x by 2 and now plus 2 times cos 4x bracket closed with the dx, because you know the formula cos 2x is equal to, formula is cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, or cos x we can write cos square x we can write 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Now this is completed, and now we have to integrate, not completed. So 1 by 4 directly I am writing integration. So what you will get the result, 1 dx is x and 1 by 2 result you will get 1 by 2 means x by 2. So x plus x by 2, x plus x by 2, it's integration. And now sin cos 8x integration is sin 8x. Sin 8x by 8 and into 2 result is 16. So plus 2 times sin 4x whole upon result is by 4. And now plus c. Now see. Now what we can write? This result we can write, this is 3x by 2. So 3x by 2, 1 by 4. This result is 3x by 2. And now plus sin 8x by 16. And now this 2 will cancel from 4. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Now see. Now this question is completed. So in this step, what we have do? What we have used the formula. This formula is, you know, cos square x. This is 2 cos square x minus 1. And also you will apply this formula a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to, you know, a square plus b square, now plus 2 times ab. This formula we have to use in this equation. So a plus b whole square you have to use there. Here is the formula. And in this steps, and 1 plus cos 4x by 2, when you will simplify, this is cos square 2x. So cos square 2x, what we can write? This is x and this is 2x. So when you will put this is 2x, this will be 4x. So this is the formula. Now you can see. This is the formula. Now there are so many questions related to this format. You can do this type of questions also. If any doubts, you can clear it. In these steps, I will use middle bracket here, and here I will use curly brackets. Because 1 plus cos 8x by 2 is the value of cos square 4x. Now see. If any doubts, can clear it. So this is so easy questions. You can do yourself. And there are so many questions related to this types format. See, if any doubts, clear it.